Hi, today I'll be doing an in-depth review of Descript and Opus Clip in a comparison. These are two innovative platforms that are revolutionizing the way we create and edit videos. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or just someone interested in video editing, understanding these tools can significantly enhance your workflow. Let's explore the features, the recent updates on them, the pricing, and more to help you determine which platform suits your needs best. Let's dive right in. Descript is an AI-powered, fully featured end-to-end video editor designed to make video editing as simple as editing text. Imagine being able to cut, copy, and paste sections of your videos just like you would in a Word document. Descript offers this intuitive approach, allowing users to edit audio and video by editing text, arrange visuals like a slide deck, and seamlessly record, edit, collaborate, and publish content. It's a comprehensive tool that covers your entire workflow, making it accessible even to those without prior video editing experience. Opus Clip is an AI-driven tool that transforms long-form videos into short, engaging clips optimized for social media platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, capturing and retaining audience attention is crucial, and Opus Clip addresses this by analyzing extended videos to identify key moments with high engagement potential. The platform then curates these highlights into cohesive, short clips, saving creators significant editing time and ensuring the content resonates with audiences across various platforms. Now let us talk about the main features of Descript and Opus Clip. First, Descript. Descript offers a plethora of features designed to simplify and enhance the editing process. Text-based editing. You can edit your videos by modifying the transcripts, making the process as simple as editing a document. Multi-track audio editing. You can handle multiple audio tracks with ease, perfect for podcasts and interviews. AI speech generation. You can create realistic voice clones or choose from stock AI voices for narration. Screen recording. You can capture your screen or webcam effortlessly, ideal for tutorials and presentations. Automatic transcription. You can generate accurate transcriptions quickly, aiding in content creation and accessibility. Collaboration tools. You can work with your team in real time, streamlining the editing and review process. AI-powered enhancements. Features like studio sound for noise reduction, filler word removal, and green screen capabilities enhance the quality of your content. Now let us talk about Opus Clip. Opus Clip focuses on maximizing the impact of your content through AI-driven features. AI-powered curation. It analyzes long-form videos to identify and extract key moments likely to engage viewers. Automated captions. It generates accurate animated captions, enhancing accessibility and viewer retention. Virality scoring. It assigns a virality score to each clip, helping creators prioritize content with the highest potential impact. Clip anything feature. It allows you to clip any moment from any video using visual, audio, and sentiment cues, even in videos with minimal dialogue. AI B-roll integration. It incorporates contextually relevant B-roll into videos, enriching the visual storytelling experience. Social media scheduler. You can plan and schedule posts across various platforms directly from the platform. Brand templates. You can create and apply consistent branding across all your clips with customizable templates. Now let us talk about the pricing. Descript offers a range of pricing plans to cater to different user plans. There's the free plan, there's the hobbyist plan, there's the creator plan, the business plan, and the enterprise plan, which is the custom plan. For Opus Clip, they also provide 3 pricing tiers. There's the starter plan, which is $15 per month for individual creators. There is the Pro plan, which is $14.5 per month. Now currently, this helps you save up to 50% of the money with annual billing. And there's currently a 50% slash for a limited time. So the Pro plan is a very good plan to grab now. And of course, there's the business plan, which you can custom price by reaching out to them. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using Descript and Opus. First, the pros of Descript. User-friendly interface, text-based editing, powerful AI tools, which includes filler word removal, overdub voice cloning, and studio sound enhancement. Collaboration features, which is great for team projects with real-time editing, and the screen recording and podcasting, which is an all-in-one platform for video and audio creators. The pros of Opus Clip. Fast and automated clipping. AI selects key moments and helps you reduce manual efforts. AI B-roll integration. This enhances storytelling with relevant visuals. Virality score. It helps you identify the most engaging clips for social media. Easy social media integration. You can export optimized clips for various platforms. How about the cons? For Descript, the learning curve. Some AI features require time to master. There's limited advanced editing. It lacks the depth of traditional video editors like Premiere Pro or Final Cut. Cloud-based processing. It can be slow depending on the internet speed. And for Opus Clip, there is limited manual control. There are watermarks on the free plan, and there is no full video editing because it primarily focuses on short-form content, not long-form video production. So which is better? Well, it depends on your choice. If you need end-to-end editing, you can go with Descript, but if you want quick, engaging, short-form clips, Opus Clip is your tool. And if you're looking for a full-fledged video editing platform, Descript wins over Opus because Descript allows you to create and edit full-length content while offering powerful AI tools to help with transcription, overdubbing, and collaboration. But Opus Clip helps you repurpose long videos into shorts, viral clips. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Adobe Premiere Rush, CapCut, and Final Cut Pro. Thank you for joining me on this comprehensive comparison. I hope this information assists you in making an informed decision. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.